Did you know that on average, employees attend 62 meetings a month? That's crazy. Of those meetings, over 50% are considered to be a waste of time, with a total of 32 hours spent in unproductive meetings every month. 31 hours account for 4 full workdays of wasted time. Plus, in a single year, US businesses wasted $37 billion in salaries paying for those meetings. $37 billion. Is your company wasting money? Or worse, they're wasting an entire work week every month on meetings that don't matter? Do you find yourself constantly stuck in meetings that are boring and they seem like they're never going to end? We've all been there, begrudgingly attending a meeting that definitely could have been an email. We get this and we want to help. Our course, Building Efficient Meetings, will help you create and run efficient meetings that people actually want to go to. We'll teach you how to make meetings that matter, the type of meetings that are not a complete waste of your time, so you don't have to spend all day in pointless meetings and then sit down at your desk at 4 p.m. to actually do your work. Meetings are a necessary part of work. They provide a space to share information, have that teamwork and collaboration, talk to your manager, and probably most importantly, they provide you the opportunity to get clarity on projects and your goals. We'll be covering all of this and more. In this course, you'll learn how to promote healthy communication in meetings, save yourself time and money, hold efficient daily, weekly, and monthly meetings, create a feedback loop, utilize meeting alternatives, understand the 4 pillars of creating meaningful meetings, build an inclusive meeting, and create a killer meeting agenda using our templates. But most importantly, you'll walk away with some actionable tools and some tips and tricks on how you can build efficient meetings. When you enroll in this course, you'll get a workbook full of interactive worksheets, guides, and templates to help run a great meeting. That's valued at $190. A micro meeting brief resource to help you create small, efficient meetings that don't derail your day. That's valued at $150. A template for note-taking in meetings valued at $99, and a creating a killer agenda template so that you always come prepared to your meetings, valued at $200. Plus, you'll get in-depth advice on building efficient meetings, including who you should have in your meetings, how long your meetings should be, and how often do you really need to hold those meetings, as well as insight into how powerhouse companies like Google, Apple, and Goop run their meetings. That's a total value of $639, but you're not going to pay that. You'll receive $639 worth of valuable training and pay only $57. Here are just a few features that our students love. Exclusive access to the Career Contessa student community, a free downloadable interactive workbook, quick, thorough lessons to help you learn efficiently, flexibility, learn from anywhere, anytime on your own schedule, lifetime unlimited access to the course, authentic, actionable advice that you can implement today, possible company reimbursement for course fee, and most importantly, professional development that's not stuffy. If you're finally ready to run effective meetings and say goodbye to the inefficient, waste of time meetings that are probably running rampant in your workspace right now, then this is the course for you. Building efficient meetings will give you everything you need to have a productive meeting today. Enroll today to start honing your productivity skills and building efficient meetings.